All right, so I've been waiting on this thing right here for at least 3 months with all different types of apology emails, and now it's finally here. Let's check it out. Woo! The one and only XREAL One. Hey Tech Fam, BTM here. Now today I'm checking out something brand new and seriously futuristic. This right here is the XREAL One Pro, one of the most advanced AR smart glasses on the market. Now it retails for $599, and also there's a full bundle option with extra accessories. I don't have those extras yet, but we'll talk about that later. Now, this is part one of a 3-part series. Today, I'm doing the unboxing. Next up, first impression, and then finally a full review after I get a chance to check it out. So, let's open up the box. Now, when you look at the packaging, this thing is sleek. You see a all black, which is my favorite color, covered with sprinkles of gold. You got XREAL on it. You got One Pro on one side. Flip that bad boy over, and then you have the One. And then on the bottom, it has some other things that talks about the chip and all of that. Let's do what some people believe to be the best part of the unboxing. The peel reveal. Yeah, the peel reveal. All right, so I'll take this and I will pull this. Woo! 1. I'll take this and I will pull this. 2. Woo! All right, now we'll flip this bad boy down, around and over, and then we'll slowly, dramatically take the box off. Woo! Talking about the reveal, now let's look at the peel. No, I want to see it first myself. Woo! Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Now, that's sweet. All right, so the first thing we see after we open the lid is we see this very sleek pill-like case. Oh, it feels so premium already. And underneath it, we got some other little goodies. First off, we got a tutorial on how to use it. We got a XREAL One Pro manual. We got a micro fiber cloth with the XREAL logo. And then some more technical stuff. Then, as we open it up, you'll notice what else comes. You have your your nose clips. So you got 3 different types here. You got the large, you got the small, and I'm assuming the medium is on it itself. Lens frame. Then you have the case. And inside the case, you have the glasses. And then you have the USB Type-C cable. All right, so you got some other things you got to peel off. Let's peel this off. And peel this off. Then we're going to go on the front. And we're going to peel this off. One side. Peel this off the other side. Okay. Now for the test. Oh, nice. All right, okay, all right. I'm feeling it. I don't know how I look yet. I got to get in front of a mirror to see what it looks like. But so far, so good. So the first impressions holding these is that they are really kind of lightweight, sleek, and professional. The matte black finish feels very premium, and we're looking at just about 75 grams here. Very, very comfortable. Even more comfortable than my Ray-Bans here, my headliners. And check out the arms and the frame detail. They're very minimalistic, but also very futuristic and sturdy. Coolest features is the electrochromic lenses. They dim at the push of a button and is perfect for bright or dark environments, so they say. We'll check that out later. Also, the XREAL Pro comes in 2 different sizes. You got medium and you got large, and the interpupillary distance so that your eyes can be adjusted properly. Now, just a quick mention of the accessories because I don't have them yet, but they are worth noting. The accessory comes in the fact that you got the Beam Pro, and you also, which adds spatial AR features, and then you got the XREAL Eye, which would be a 12 megapixel POV camera that you can use to record. Now, the base glass here are like $5.99, and the full bundle with the Beam Pro is $7.98. So, I'll drop a link in the description below to check them out if you want to buy one. Highly recommended browsing while you watch. Okay, so that's everything that comes inside the box of the XREAL One Pro. So far, I gotta say that the packaging was impressive, but now it's time to see how they perform. So up next will be my first impression, and I'll plug it into a phone, a laptop, game console to see what this thing can really do. So if you like this first unboxing, help a tech brother out, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think about my flow. See you in the next one. Peace.